Hello, this is Dutch Knife Collector, and I want to show a knife that I could purchase a few days ago on the Dutch forum. It's a big knife. It's since long out of production. It is made in Italy by Fox. It's the Ontario Hossom Retribution number 1. There is also a number 2. This is more a full-size folder, and this is an extra large folder. And what I found about it, there should also be a small one, but I couldn't get examples from that. It comes with a sturdy sheet, which can be attached to the belt, of course. It has no pocket clip. And it's a very big knife. I will compare it with some of my bigger folding knives. For example, the real steel tuck-in, the ZT 0600, and the large Ruckus. As you can see, it even is about 1.5 centimeters longer than the large Ruckus. 3 centimeters long, no, 2.5 centimeters longer than the tuck-in, 3 centimeters longer than the 0600. So it's a very big knife. This one comes with scales from micarta. I don't know what kind of micarta, but it's greenish and black. It's very well polished, everywhere rounded off. It has a titanium frame and a N690 CO steel. About this steel, according to Jerry Hossom, who designed this knife, N690 CO is somewhat between 140 cm and CPM 154. So let me correct myself, between 154 cm and CPM 154. But I have experience with this steel, and it will take an edge very well. It gets really shaving sharp, hair popping sharp. I have some knives with this steel, and it holds its edge reasonably fair. It is a liner lock. It's called a liner lock, but in fact you could call this a frame lock, because it's a titanium frame with standoffs, and it has some scales mounted on it. So I think it's a frame lock. For such a big hefty knife, the weight I think the weight is reasonable. It's not much heavier than the big Ruckus. The Takin and the 0600 are fairly lighter, but the Ruckus is about the same. The knife itself, the blade runs without no friction. It's very, very smooth. No blade play. Thick stop pin. The detent is weak. You can shake the knife out. But if I look at the centering, it is not perfectly centered. I think it's a little off to the non-locking side. So I think with some micro adjustment of the pivot, the detent will be somewhat stronger. It's an hair of a millimeter. It's a for such a big knife, it deploys very easy. Enormous action. And it's a very good fit and finish for this price quality. It's a nice even edge. Also the secondary edge is even on both sides. Switch is even. I think for such an for this knife, it's a great fit and finish. I don't know if it shows in camera, but if you look carefully, maybe you see there are some resin residues from the micarta between the liner and the scale, but it's only on this spot, and I think I can sand these down, although it's almost not noticeably. All in all, this is not a knife for EDC. It's too big, it's too thick, but it's a very nice knife for bushcrafting, for hunting, for camping, survival, because I think it's a very strong, sturdy knife. Very thick stock. I think you can easily pry with this knife. Betoning. I like it very much. It fits very well in my hands. No sharp corners or whatsoever. Also for push cut. Yeah, I like it very much. And it's very smooth. So, my latest acquisition, the Ontario Hossom Retribution 1. Price wise, this knife was originally in the United States for about 140, 150 bucks. Later on they went for about 130 bucks. In Europe it was a lot more expensive, about 170, 180 euro. If you can pick up one of these, I can recommend this. It's a very nice addition to a knife collection. Have a nice day. Bye bye.